On a summer afternoon in August 2025, police were called to a Walmart parking lot after a confrontation between a woman and a man escalated into violence. What began as a simple dispute over a shopping cart quickly spiraled out of control.
What's your name, boss?
Nicely done.
Do you have ID or anything on you? Do you need an ambulance or anything?
No, I do got coming out of my ear. She grabbed me by the head and hit me like 5 or 6 times while I was in the car. I don't know where exactly, people to my face right now.
I got you.
I'm right though. Did you want to see the video that the bystanders just sent me? There was somebody that pulled up like 2 minutes after. They were Mexican folk, they didn't speak very good English, but they recorded pretty much the whole thing.
Is this your current address?
Not.
Take care of it.
Alright, and what's your phone number?
Video or anything?
Yeah, I mean, whatever video that you have available or whatever. Yeah, if you can. Alright, so what's going on today?
So I had gone to Walmart and I came out and I was just about to back up and I looked over and there's a cart sitting right next to my door now, so I can't back up. I turn around and I look around and she's parked right next to me. Her car door is closing at that time, so I assume that she left her cart there. So I roll my window down and I go, "Did you just leave your cart like right next to my car so I can't back out?" She goes, "Yeah, I did." And I was like, "What the fuck is wrong with you?" And I started, I called her broke. I was like, "Move your fucking cart. You're broke as hell. Like, what are you doing?" And she's like, "No, I'm not going to move my fucking cart." She started backing up. So I backed up as well because I'm going to go, like.
So you guys are like next to each other like this?
We're literally right next to each other.
Okay.
So she starts backing up. I back up too because I'm going to go get out of here. Well, at this point, that's when the video starts. She backs up, I back up in front of her, and then she gets out of her car, comes to my driver's side. I think I'm gonna roll my window down and like yell at her like, "Hey, move your fucking car, just in my way," you know what I'm saying? Well, she grabs me, she starts throwing her finger in my face, is pointing me, is actually touching my nose. So I knew she was about to get hands. She grabbed me by the hair after that and started punching me, and it's on video.
Just while you're in the car?
While I'm in the car. So I try to drive forward a little bit, but actually I can't see because she's grabbing my hair and punching me. And, she's hanging on my car, hanging on me while I'm trying to drive forward because we were right there, I was just in the parking spot right here and I drove forward to here,
Okay.
While she was hanging on punching me.
You said you got video?
Yeah, somebody recorded the video of that happening. Well, then, I grabbed her. She had a name tag on, so I reached out and I grabbed her name tag off of her because I wanted her name, I seen her name tag on her. And then I got out and I punched her window, which wasn't very smart of me to do, you know what I'm saying? But that was after I got hit in the face for multiple occasions. Yeah.
This is just from a bystander?
Yep. There was a Mexican lady and there she pulled out. I backed up too. I'm pointing at her to move the car. She starts yelling at me. She grabs me and starts eating. I start trying to drive forward, get out the way. She comes back and hits me.
So is this the cart you guys are talking about?
Yes. Literally sitting right next to me.
Okay.
If I would have backed out, it would have hit my car. If I would have turned and backed out instead of just backing out straight,
Okay.
it would have.
So after she's hitting you, you try to drive off, you stop, and then is that when you get out and punch her window?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
What window did you punch?
It's right there. It's broken.
Okay.
And then she actually ran up on me again and was hitting me again, and I pushed her off of me, and that's when more people came out here and we split up type shit.
Okay. So you don't want any medical attention or anything? No. Okay.
I'm crazily blown, you know what I'm saying? Like, I told her to move her shopping cart and she started punching me in the face. Like,
Okay.
I understand, that I backed up it. Well,
Okay.
What the I'm kind of mind boggled, it doesn't make sense to, I don't know. It's crazy to me. That's where I'm at.
All right. So, what do you want done? Are you wanting to press charges or what? Because I'm gonna be completely honest with you. It's up to you. But since there's damage on her window, so she's probably gonna press charges on you too for her window.
Here's some fucked up shit too, bro. I'm on court supervision right now because I just got into a motorcycle accident. That gaming court supervision for it. I literally just got put on that shit. Like, I haven't been in no trouble the rest of my life. Just funny as hell.
Mm-hmm.
Bad circumstances, But I would pay to press charge or whatever because that's the only reason, I got punched in my face multiple times.
No, I mean, that's up to you. What do you want to do?
What can I do? Can I press charges on it? But I know I did damage to her vehicle, you know.
Yeah, I mean,
out of rage, I was mad as hell.
I mean, it's on video. I mean, you got injuries, and it's on video. She's punching
blood
you.
pouring out of my ear.
So,
how does all of that work?
What do you mean?
Pressing charges.
So, I mean, if you want to press charges, then she'd be arrested. And then obviously I'd have to read her rights. I haven't talked to her at all. I don't know what her story is. So I'd have to read her rights, see if she's wanting to talk, tell me what she's got to say.
No, for sure. Yeah, but, I mean, I would like to press charges. She grabbed me by my hair and started punching me multiple times, you know? Like.
So you do want to press charges?
Over a cart. Yeah, if I can.
Okay.
I got hit multiple. I got blood coming out of my ear.
Okay.
So I have a 4-year-old in the car. You don't keep blocking nobody in. So I get out of my car and I go to yell at him. He laughing, doing all this, so I'm doing all this back. So then he doing too much. So yes, I did get to hitting him because you doing too much. So then after that, I went to walking back to my car. He followed me to my car. He punching the window. You too close to my son. My son in his car. So yes, I did get to hit him because you don't come to nobody's car. You don't even know what I got going on. That car was not blocked.
You hit him?
Yeah, because he punched my. Yeah, I hit him right there because.
So hey, I'm gonna stop you right. Can you hand the kid off to? Is she with you?
Yeah.
Okay. So right now you're gonna be placed under arrest for aggravated battery.
My keys.
Yeah, we'll get it. We'll get it in a second.
Yeah.
And then you gonna press charges on his.
I am, because it's childish. I can watch the cameras and all that. He kept blocking me in. You do not block nobody in.
Well, everything's on video.
I said that, but why did you block me in? Like,
doesn't matter. You know he white. You know they gonna get away with shit. So what you could have did.
According to witness accounts and bodycam footage, the man accused the woman of leaving her shopping cart too close to his car, blocking him from pulling out. Words were exchanged, tempers flared, and the situation escalated fast. The woman allegedly grabbed the man by the hair and punched him several times while he was still inside his car. In retaliation, the man broke her car window, which only made the altercation worse. Bystanders captured the fight on video, and both parties later gave conflicting statements to the police.
Let me double check.
Let me double check. No, I don't think so. I don't want to tie him up on here. Hold on.
Do you have anything in your pockets?
Yes, I do.
What do you have?
I got scissors over here, and I don't know what I got over here.
Mind if I grab it?
Yeah.
Well, is this like your ID or something?
I don't, yeah, I'm for work.
Okay.
Okay.
This is so childish. All because he blocking me in for being. This is just so much. My whole birthday is just so petty. Like, this is.
What's going on?
All right. So basically, they were parked next to each other. He gets into his car. There's a cart next to his car.
Okay.
She's like gets to her car and he's like, "Hey, did you leave your cart here?" And she said, "Whatever." And then she started back out. He backed out and they both kind of stopped. Then she come running up to his driver's side window. They start exchanging words. And then she grabs him and just starts wailing on him. He's got injuries all over his face. He's got blood pouring out of his ear.
Security lady over there, she works for Walmart?
I didn't talk to her. I don't know what she's doing. So, but the loss prevention dude's inside trying to see if there's video. There's a bystander that recorded everything on their cell phone and sent it to him. So that's, you know.
Where's the bystander?
I had no idea. Left.
You got an example here?
Yeah.
I need to talk to her. What? So what do you want to do?
Just talk to her in a second. Let's finish this real quick. We'll give you a... Okay?
So for right now, I mean, if you want to just take photos of him.
I'm going to throw this in there.
Oh.
Because I'm pretty sure she pressed the charges on camera.
Okay, well, I'll talk to her about it.
Oh, she pressed the charges and he going to jail too.
Can you know the AC for you too? AC's on back there.
It is so bogus, man. It is so bogus.
Do you have a middle name? Say M?
Shit is so.
Do you have a good phone number, Catrice?
What?
Do you have a good phone number?
Bogus, man.
15 code you better. Or you have a better location.
Shit is bogus.
Or it's on a Walmart. It's on the subway. I don't know what row number. You'll be else. 10-4 across the bud.
It's so fucking bad.
All right. I'm going to read you your Miranda rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to your lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you? Do you understand your rights?
It's so bogus.
Hey, I'm going to ask you one more time.
Yes, okay. I hear you.
Okay, well, I need you to answer me.
Birthday. This is bogus.
Okay, have any rights in mind? Do you wish to talk to us? Have any rights in mind? Do you wish to talk to me?
What do you want to talk about? I called you.
I need a yes or no. Do you want to talk?
I don't care. It don't matter.
That doesn't answer my question.
It don't matter. I don't care.
Okay, so you don't want to talk? All right, well, you're being charged with aggravated battery, okay? I got your mom's number written down here for you.
In the end, the woman was arrested and charged with aggravated battery. What should have been a minor disagreement over a shopping cart turned into a criminal case with serious consequences. This incident highlights how unchecked anger can escalate an ordinary situation into something far more dangerous.